Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix no internet connection problem showing up in TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app, and if it shows no internet connection over here, what you can do is make sure you have the strong internet connection and you need to simply check it. And if you're using mobile data and it is not showing up and we get the problem that is no internet connection, then we need to get into settings over here and source for the app that is TikTok. Now over here in mobile data, there might be that the mobile data is turned off or data saver is on, so make sure you turn this both on, and if you try again, after that the problem will finally be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.